Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Today I'm sat in a Skoda Roomster. My name is Max and we have professionally fitted a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS to bring this customer up to date with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB and a much nicer, more up-to-date head unit. So let's spin around and let me show you the car. So here we have the screen. We put a little Skoda splash screen on it, so when your boot's up, nice little logo. Try to do that for all KENWOOD units that come into our shop. KENWOODs allow the use of a splash screen. Not all stereos allow for that, so we'll always try and put a splash screen. Just helps give it a nice, bit more original feel. Stereo boots up. We've got wireless Apple CarPlay. As you can see, there's my phone there on the seat, and it's all connected up for wireless CarPlay. If you know what CarPlay is about, then you know that it basically gives you a much nicer, easier way of using your phone while driving, which is all safe, legal and hands-free. So the stereo all works from there. When calls come in, you can simply just talk on the phone, and you can hang up using the screen as well. We do have steering wheel controls as well here, sorry, so you've got phone button, volume up and down, and even skipping tracks forward and backwards button, so we keep these working with the new KENWOOD system. And this has all been installed using a flush fitting surround, so it all looks very nice and flushly fitted. Giving you a little bit of a look around the stereo. Here's the home screen of the stereo. Here's the DAB. Your DAB presets, you can search from in here. Loads of stations to choose from. Click on it to get it playing, and then we can save our presets down the side here. We got 15 presets on a KENWOOD 8021 or most KENWOODs. Slide out this to check what you have or haven't saved, and to save it, hold that down for a few seconds. Beep, saved. So that's basically how you play your radio. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is the other version for Android users. Just makes for a wireless way of using your phone, which is basically aimed at your phone. Any favorites, recents, contacts, keypads, voicemail you can access in there. Music if you use Apple Music. Maps if you like Apple Maps, that's real nice and easy to use. Just search. You can either use Siri or a keyboard, type in whatever you want in there, names of places, restaurant, locations, anything, not just postcode and door numbers. We've got messages. You can't read messages off the screen, but you can use your voice to reply to them. Now playing will refer to what music's playing. I use Tidal for my music app, which is nice. It's very high quality, but you can have all your playlists and your albums, and yeah, much nicer way of using your music while driving. And what else we got in here? Google Maps is a great mapping option. Waze is another one, and also TomTom Go if you're worried about losing your map while driving. You've got Radio Player for DAB apps if you can't pick up DAB very well because the signal isn't perfect in the UK everywhere. And yeah, WhatsApp as well is another option. Bit of split screen information from map, what music's playing. But yeah, that's kind of most of the Apple CarPlay. Android looks quite similar, but just set up more for Androids. You can do wireless mirroring with Android. You've got FM radio. You can even run a HDMI into this head unit, plug a Fire Stick in the glove box, and play things like Netflix and YouTube when you're parked up. Has AV in, but wouldn't really use that, to be honest. But that is probably most of the head unit. These buttons on the bottom, you can actually choose the colour of them, which is quite nice. So we've gone for green, as most the Skoda's themes are normally green. This is like a volume control. ATT stands for attenuation. Home button to take us back to this KENWOOD home screen. Menu button allows you to access some of the menus. Reverse camera, if we had one, would work. And also you've got another camera button there if you had like a front camera. Pretty much it for this brief video. This is Max, John Kleis. If you've got a vehicle you'd like to get Apple CarPlay fitted into, get in contact with us. We can either provide you a quote for this lovely KENWOOD head unit. Comes with a special 3-year warranty when fitted with us at John Kleis, or we have other options available. Thanks for watching again. Remember to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.